Is that mine? Thank you.
Em nhà cùng nhiều chiếc. Guys.
Did you say you don't know us?
No.
Why?
Yeah.
You tell me to stop.
To explore now.
Hey, you
With its offering from restaurants, shopping and groceries, plus it's
I got a bag, that's right. Can you keep reminding me I got a bag, guys?
Put it with our handbags.
Thank you. I can literally pick it up.
Thank you.
Thanks, Kim. Kim. It's going to be a lot. 7p, so I've lost Jody.
This is young. Very hot. Yeah.
And Linda, are you around?
When it's raining in the morning, because then you don't feel obligated to like.
Guys, ang pamasko sa akin ni Ate Ana. Malunggay. Ayan. Tapos, pampagla. Hey guys, I'm walking to work today. Last day ko sa work. Kasi hindi na rin yung contract namin dito. So, ito yung last day ko. And today, I wanted to do it the same way nung aking first day. Kasi naglakad lang ako nun going to work. So, eto, maglalakad tayo ngayon. Guys, tuwing ganitong season, dito ako lumulundag-lundag para manguha ng mangga. Dahil last day ko na ngayon, hindi na ako madadaan dito. Pero na lang kung sasadyain ko. Tingnan niyo yung mga mangga. Daming bunga, di ba? Madami talagang bunga yan. Ngayon nga, kumonti pa yan kasi nga may dumadaan na siguro dito. May mga dumadaan na nakatulad ko. Na nangunguha lagi ng mangga. Kita nyo yan, no? Madami talaga siyang bunga. Na nalulundag-lundag ko lang. Ayan guys. Pauwi na ako and ito ulit yung mangga. Tingnan yan, daming bunga. Diba? Pero yung sa mga mabababa, konti na lang. Pero yung nasa taas, malalaki na siya. Gustong gusto ko to kasi ito yung pinakamalapit na asim sa mangga natin. Pero, unfortunately, hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng mangga siya. Ayan, daming mga bunga-bunga. Hindi ako kukuha kasi nakakuha na ako kahapon. Ayan. Ayan guys, doon ako nakatira. Doon.
Oh yeah. You don't, yeah. That. Yeah, I was like, you just about chose the most expensive agave. Yeah, exactly. Maybe we've got people. Yeah.
Magkano yung isa?
That should,
75 yung malaki.
that's the theory.
Magkano to?
Yeah, you think that.
That I'm not sure.
But
Ganda
yeah,
din, no?
until we got
Baka
home,
display lang yan.
I'm not going to risk it.
I haven't seen that.
Put them in the pot and swing that out. Will they grow again?
So you get a real range. You get things like dragon.
Kakapasok pa lang namin sa market and look what we got. This must be a day for plants. This one, Ate Ana, what do you call this? Burley marks? Ate Ana got that one. And I got this one kasi yung sa akin kasi Ate Ana parang it's not growing anymore. I don't know why it's not growing but
Bakit?
ayan.
Si ano eh?
I got a new one. And this one, bilili naman ni Ate Ana.
Go nga, are you in the bus right now?
Dito kami bumili guys. Sobrang gaganda ng mga dito plants. Ito kung wala akong ganito, I like that one. May ganyan na kasi ako. Ayan, mga collectible yung plants dito ni Kuya.
Sunshine Coast.
Ayan si Ate Ana. Bumibili siya doon.
So nga, nasa bus na. Ihanapin daw siya sa airport. We will put that in the car first, love. Tsaka babayaran ko yung isa para malagay na rin natin. We like your plants. Beautiful plants. Yeah, and look at the flowers.
The first time we bought plants.
Look at this. We are at Cabocho Flea Market. Yeah, I don't know what that is. You better pull it.
Thorium also.
That's a Diefenbeckie. Oh, it's a pepper bone.
Pepper pie.
Yeah, it is.
I bought one of these. Look at this. If you are a plantita, you will really appreciate everything. How much is that one? The one in the in your ano?
Oh, they're already sold.
Oh my God!
Yeah, they're all
They
sold.
don't last long.
Yeah, they were 25, those big ones there.
The one in the circle thing.
Yeah, 25 that was.
Ate, ano may ganito ka? Ganda din ah.
Meron yata, dahil.
Na?
This is a Hoya. See, with flowers. See? Hoya. Assorted bromeliads. I have lots of bromeliads, big
Yeah,
ones.
Yeah.
And I just throw them away.
In the ground.
Okay,
It's
yeah.
in the ground.
Oh, that look nice.
I have plenty of this one. This is my March the Plantita Blaga.
Ate Ana,
Yeah.
this is a farm, isn't it?
Seafood, yeah. Seafood.
Nice one.
We have to get in the car and I'll get some more money.
This grows into a tree.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Beautiful.
I've got millions of
What's this one? Song of India. I used to have variegated ones.
Yes, yes.
The variegated are also.
Naku, I cannot grow that one. I have a lot of this one. They're already like a big tree.
They do great.
They're beautiful.
Okie dokie, we're going.
Ayan guys, kakapasok pa lang namin sa market. Ito na yung mga nabili namin. Yung backseat ni Ate Ana looks like a jungle already. Ayan.
Uy, wala si Tess.
Ayan. Wala ba? Hindi pa tayo nakakaikot eh. She must be there somewhere.
Ubus to?
Kita nyo guys, hindi pa nga kumakain. Nagre-reklamo na hindi daw niya mauubos. Ate Ana Ate Ana, what's your order? What's your order?
Ham, tomato, cheese, toasty.
And
Salted caramel.
salted caramel latte. And I have ham, cheese, tomato, croissant, and flat white with 2 sugars.
We're having a good time.
Yes, kakain muna kami. Wala na naman ang trolley namin kasi nadala na namin sa ano. Nadala na namin sa car. Sabi ni Ate Ana, ang ganda daw ng aso. True. Ayun na. May sumisimple.
Tuwa ako kay Bunso.
Masarap daw pero tinutulak niya yung plate niya papunta sa akin. Tingnan niyo ang salarin. Tinutulak yung plate niya papunta dito.
Ang sarap, dahil kaya mo ubusin niya.
Okay tayo. Sabi ko na eh, papaubos niya sa akin eh. How's your morning, Ate Ana?
Very good with my bestie.
Diba? Nandito lang kami, nanonood ng mga aso na dumadaan.